need to make a rainbow, to see a rainbow? Number one, a CD.
A CD.
A CD. Number two, a flashlight or a source of light like a cell phone. Ooh. Now let's shine the cell phone or the flashlight on the CD. When you see a rainbow,
yes,
you say, I see a rainbow.
I see a rainbow.
Okay, ready? No rainbows yet.
No rainbows.
No. Up.
Close. I see a rainbow.
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh, yes. Ooh. What colors do you see? What colors?
I see green,
Okay.
blue, red,
Yes.
yellow,
Yes.
and purple.
Yes. Or indigo.
Indigo.
But yes. Ooh, look at this. So you can even put it. Oh wow, beautiful rainbow on the ceiling. Sorry you can't see it. Now have fun with your students. Use the most reflective CD you can find, and I guarantee you it's gonna work. Bye.
Bye.